Good morning, children. In this chapter, Shapes and Angles, we have done so many activities. And today again we are going to do activities. And I'm sure, children, when we will do these activities, you will understand the angles in the best possible manner. So, one will be making a degree clock. I'll just show you first what I have done. Then I will focus on it and show you again. So children, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to cut a circle like this. And after cutting the circle, you have to fold it exactly into two equal halves like this. Exactly into two equal halves. Then again into four equal halves like this. And once again into 8 equal halves and press it nicely like this. So children, this is how we are going to make the degree clock. After doing this, you will open it up and you will draw the lines on the angles, on these folds. You will draw the lines on the folds. And I will show you by focusing on this paper how our degree clock has got made. Okay, come. Okay, children, I told you that the total angles in a circle is 360 degrees. Now, what is the meaning of this? I'll tell you. The meaning of this is that this full angle, if the clock starts from here, and the needle goes round and round and round and come back here itself, it has covered 360 degrees. Now children, we have folded this circular clock into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 equal parts. So 360 divided by 8, you can divide and see 360 divided by 8 is 45 degrees. So every portion is 45 degrees. It means from here to here. Okay, this angle, look at my pointer. This angle, this is 45 degrees. This angle is 45 degrees. Now 45 for this and 45 for this. 45 plus 45 makes 90 degrees. So this angle here till here, it makes 90 degrees, which is a right angle. Now 45 plus 45 plus 45 makes 135 degrees. So this angle and this angle. Can you see this angle? The one which my pointer is outlining. This angle is 135 degrees. It is an obtuse angle. Also children, do you remember I told you what is a straight angle? This is a straight angle. A straight angle is like a straight line. It is 180 degrees. It is made from 445 degrees. This is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree and this is 45 degree. So 445 degree angles make one straight angle. So this is a straight angle. Or children, you can also say that two right angles. See, this is one right angle. Can you see this? This is one right angle. And there is another right angle, beta, here. Look at this. This is another right angle. When you add two right angles, you get 180 degrees. 90 degree plus 90 degree gives us 180 degrees. Now you can see there are 225 degrees, 270 degrees 315 degrees, and so on. These angles are called reflex angles. I have not taught you about these because they will be taught to you in senior classes. I am just mentioning it to you. When an angle is more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees, that angle is called a reflex angle. So children, this is our clock. Now I will put my protractor on this clock and I will show it to you that it is a correct clock, absolutely correct. Okay, you see it carefully. Okay, now children, this is 0 degrees. Now 10, 20, 30, 40, and can you see this is exact 45 degrees. Same way this is exact 90 degrees. See, here it is 90 degrees. Then this is exact, can you see it's 135 degrees exact, and this is 180 degrees. So children, this is the degree clock. So children, with the help of this square paper, again I am going to show you different types of angles. What we are going to do is we are going to fold the paper like this in 2 equal parts. After that, again we will fold the paper. Now it is in 4 equal parts. Open it like this and fold it like this. Now look at this shape of paper carefully. Now you can easily make out which angle these 2 sides are making. This is the horizontal side and this is the vertical side. So this angle is 90 degrees angle. Also, this angle which is being made is also 90 degrees, but it is in a different direction. This is horizontal and this is the vertical. So this angle is also this angle is also 90 degrees and this angle is also 90 degrees. Okay, now look at this angle made by this side and this side. This is an acute angle. This angle made by this horizontal side and this oblique side is an acute angle. We can measure this angle with the help of our protractor. Okay, let us measure it. Since it is a thick paper, we may not be able to measure it very accurately, but nevertheless we are going to try it. This is the 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47 degrees. I think it is 47 degrees. So this angle is 47 degrees. Actually children, this paper is quite thick. So this is an acute angle. Okay, now look at this oblique side and this horizontal side. This horizontal side and this oblique side. This angle, please look at it carefully. Can you look at this angle? This and this. This is an obtuse angle. Let us try and measure this angle with the help of our protractor. Okay, this is the 0. We are going to use the inner scale this time. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 135. So this angle which you can see is 135 degrees angle, and this is an obtuse angle. So children, generally you can, without even measuring an angle, you can tell just by looking at it if it is one horizontal line and one vertical line, then it is a 90 degree angle or a right angle. If the angle is forming a shape like this, it is an acute angle. We also call it acute angle. Okay, if the angle is like this, really apart from the 2 arms are apart from each other, so this angle is called an obtuse angle. So with the help of this paper, we have seen a right angle, an acute angle, an obtuse angle. And if you feel that this is one ray and this is one ray, then this angle is a straight angle or 180 degrees angle. Okay children, now I am going to show you an activity which is going to be very close to your heart. When you go to the park, you go to different swings and you love to slide. Sometimes the slide is so steep that you feel scared. So today I am going to tell you how the slide becomes more steep and less steep. Okay, so for this I am going to use this shoe box and this board. If the shoe box I am going to keep like this and make the slide like this. So you have to look at this angle, the angle which is made by the slide and the ground, the angle which is made by the slide and the ground. This angle is less, so the slide is less steep. Now if I keep the shoe box like this, now you see this angle made by the slide with the ground, it is more. Since this angle is more, the slide will be more steep, right? I'll just show you in the other manner also. Okay, now I'm going to keep the shoe box like this. So the height of the shoe box has increased and the slide has become steeper. Why slide has become steeper? Because the angle between this slide and the floor, this angle has become more, so slide has become steeper. So children, with this we have learned angles using so many activities. I hope you would have understood what are different types of angles. Acute angles are more than 0 degree and less than 90 degrees. Right angles are exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle are more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Straight angles are exactly 180 degrees. And the angles which are more than 180 degrees are reflex angle. So that's all for today children. Thank you and have a nice day.